Hi, and welcome to my fifth tutorial on Business Objects Web Intelligence, and today I will be covering how to do folding and unfolding. I am going to start off by creating a simple query based on the eFashion universe. eFashion. And for my objects I'm going to select year, quarter, month, and for my measure I am going to select my sales revenue. Click Run Query, and it will generate the vertical table. I'm going to get rid of the report title, and I'm going to center this a bit. Basically, the way folding works is you insert groups for your different dimensions, and then you can click the folding button and it will collapse or expand the dimensions. So I'm going to highlight my first dimension, which is year, and I'm going to click my group button or my break button. The next dimension I am going to group by or break by is my quarter dimension. The next thing I will do is subtotals. So I'm going to highlight my measure, sales revenue, and click on the sum button. Okay. Then I'm going to remove this text here because it will just make it confusing. Right click, clear cell. And then I don't like the repeating of the header, so I'm going to delete those. And I'm just going to insert one. So I'm going to highlight the block, go to Properties, click on Display, and then Show Table Headers. Okay, and I'm going to add a bit of a color scheme for my year. I'm going to make this blue, and quarter will be light gray. Okay, so now we've got everything in place to do to experiment with our folding. So I am going to click on my year, and then do you see this little button here? That is where we control the folding. So I'm going to click on it and then click on another dimension, and here you see on the left hand side are our expand collapse controls. Okay, so in the bottom you can set the global expand collapse control, so I'm going to demo that first. So if we click the 2, it will collapse the months and show just the quarters. If I click the 1, it will collapse all the quarters into years and will show my totals by year. If I click the T, it will show me the total for all years. Okay, I can navigate through it by clicking on these buttons on the left. So this will show me all the years. But now if I'm just interested in one year, say 2002, I click on the left and go into 2002 data, and I can look at quarter 3 as well. Click on the button and it will show me 2003 data. Okay, that's basically how expand collapse works in Business Objects. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned for my next tutorial.